Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to draw Amy Rose and I'm going to start with her eye. So in the middle, near the middle of the page, I'm going to draw a line like so, it comes down and around like this. Then we're going to bring her nose, the rest of her face on as well. Comes around and then tucks back in like this and comes back up. So there's her eyes and her nose. So this is where her nose is going to touch in here. Rounded triangle. And then she has a mouth. Nice smile on her face. One eyeball, an oval shape. And another eyeball there. With a black pupil. And you can leave a white reflective dot in there, or we can put it in later. It's up to you. You choose. Other pupil. And there we have her eyes. Now she has a spike that comes down here. And another spike out here. Her head's actually like one big circle. And then another spike coming around like so, with a bit in the middle there, and another bit there, and then let's put her ear on. And her other ear is actually tucked in here, so put that in. And then the inside of her ear, you can see that. And then this is definitely a rounded triangle shape with a slight curve. Now this line picks up and keeps going around and comes all the way around down to there. Now we've got this one that comes down, touches the side of her face and comes in there. And another curved line. And then bring that one down and spike that one in behind. And then this one's going to come all the way up to the ear. And a little line there, bring that one down a little bit. So this is going to come around like this as well. So we're getting her head looking pretty good, but we're missing her cool eyelashes. So I'm going to put one in here. So thick, goes in behind there to flick it out. Same here, I'm going to flick that out and thicken the end up closest to the eye. I'm just going to make this line a little bit thicker there and a little bit thicker up the top there. Let's flick her other eyelashes out. 1, 2, that one comes out a bit further. The bottom one, same as like that. Try and keep them similar length. Now it's time to draw her body. So she's got an arm that comes around out here and that sort of lines up with underneath there. And that's her arm going into her hand. So she's got a ring around her hand which comes up and touches her chin like so. And then her hand, she's holding the hammer. Cool show from Sonic Prime. Okay, and this is her one of her fingers here, another one, and another one. And then this one comes down, around and back up, and then that'll be her thumb in there holding the axe, the hammer. The hammer goes in behind here as well, so there's the hammer in behind there. Then we have this part of the hammer. We have the end of the hammer. Bring a line around like so. Now this will curve around into there. Line straight out, keep them on the same angle. And this is on the same angle. And then we'll curve this around like so. And we're going to do the same on this side. Up on an angle. This one comes down. Curve that line. And then we just see a little bit of the front face of that there. There's a little bit of a line there. Do a shape like so. Another one there. Double line there. So she's got her hammer. Let's draw her other hand. So the hammer would come through here, but we're going to have some fingers in the way. So the first one is the thumb. And then the thumb comes around like this. Then the hammer comes down through there. If you wanted to, you could draw a line, a light pencil line through there to get that looking good, because you don't want to have it all twisted. Bring that around, finger, another one, and then a little pinky finger into there. There's the hammer. Now she's got a little wristband there, a little gold wristband, and this arm comes up and touches in there, and then she's got a chest coming out through there. Then her back comes around like this. Now her dress comes out like that, and then swings around, comes down around like that. Another curved line there. Now she's got a little tail coming out, poking out there. I'm assuming that's the tail. Looking pretty good. Now her leg comes out. So leg is slightly getting wider. 2 lines. Pretend that the legs go up. And then this one curves around like this. Now we're going to finish off her legs with her boots. So a little line like this, and a line like that. A line coming over. Now her boot. Pretend this is coming down. Comes down like that. This line, there's another line here. And this line is the front. There's like a white bit on her boot. And then it comes over like that. And then this is the front of her boot, comes around, and then we see the side of it come around here, and then it comes down and around like that. And then this is the sole of the shoe. Sole of the shoe. And then this white bit comes around, like so. There's her foot. Let's draw her other leg. This is where her leg's going to go. We'll bring this line down and around. And then back up and around like that. That's like the bottom of the shoe, and then the toe of the shoe there. Now we've got a line that comes across. And then this is the same part on the other side. Now we've got a bump like that one. And then we've got to bring her shoe up and around like that. So this comes down to there, bumps around. And we've got the sole of the shoe like this. Now you can put a little bit, she's actually got a bump in there, so it's up to you how you do that. There we have Amy Rose looking pretty good.